sweet thing, but divine thing. I still my tea, she can pull a man thing. She get my candy when I brought that money.
You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. Kayladeebookings.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying on this new wig that I received from BeautyForeverHair, and it's a different color, so y'all know I'm feeling a little spicy, okay? So the wig that I received from them is their Jerry Curl V-part wig in a 24-inch. Now this is a ginger color unit, which is like a number 30. The wig itself is very curly. It does remind me a lot of a water wave texture. Now this is what the wig is looking like on my head. As usual, I always have to go in and try it on to make sure that my wig fits perfectly. On their website, it does not give you the option to choose what size wig cap you want. So I believe it's just like a one size fits all. And yeah, my wig did fit perfectly. I usually wear like a size medium, which is like a 22 circumference wig cap. And your wig also comes with the extra elastic band attached to the back for extra security. So before we go ahead and install my wig, I am just going in with my hot comb, and we're just gonna finesse the front because it's definitely looking a little weedy right now, and I want it to look as natural as I can get it. Also, I'm trying to like go for like a frontal look but without actually having a frontal. So I'm just taking my hot comb and, you know, flattening down some of the hairs in the front, and then I'm just gonna go in with my tweezers and just pluck some of that hair that I sectioned off. Again, this wig is a V-part unit, so you're only limited to one parting space. I would definitely prefer a 13x4 lace front or just something with a little bit more flexibility rather than just one parting space. But what I do like about BeautyForeverHair is the fact that they offer you the choice to choose whether you want a 13x4 lace front for this wig or a 4x1 lace closure. After plucking my wig to my desired look, I'm going to go ahead and lay down my lace. I'm going to be using the Ebon Wonder Lace Bond. Now, y'all, this lace adhesive is the gold, okay? The hold that you can achieve with this lace spray right here, you guys, is like out of this world. So I had my wig on for like 4 days after installing this wig, and my wig did not move or lift at all. I had to go in with some water to really get my wig up. And mind you, I went out, I partied in the wig, and it did not move. So like even with sweating and stuff, the wig stays in place. Your lace does not lift. So now it's time to lay down the baby hairs. My wig is completely secured onto my head. I'm just going to go in and cut off all that excess lace. And we're going to section off some hair. I usually take the pieces that's on the outer corner of my lace. So like the pieces that's at the very end of my lace, that's what I use for my baby hairs. Or you can do whatever you want, to be honest, how you prefer to lay your baby hairs. But I feel like if you do want that frontal look, you would definitely need to use the pieces that's on the outer corners of your lace closure. And I'm sorry for all the noise in the background. My husband is doing dishes. I don't know why he decided to do this now that I'm working, but I'm sorry. Then after sectioning off the hair that I'm going to use for the baby hairs, I go in with my mousse and I'm just going to mold the hair. Then we're just snipping the ends of the hair of the baby hairs that we don't need, and then we're just going to take some mousse and lay them down. Now, to achieve that melted look, you definitely want to use an elastic band and wrap up your hair, tie it up, and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. That's how you get that super melted look. While I let that sit, I'm just going to take my hot comb and go back over it on the top of my wig, make sure that it's flat and nice. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation powder and a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to highlight that part in space, especially because I did not bleach my knots, or the knots in the wig does not come bleached. Then I'm going in with my spray bottle. In here I have some water and conditioner, well, a leave-in conditioner. And I'm just spraying this all over the hair to loosen up the curls. And I'm taking my foaming mousse. This is the Lotto Body with coconut and sugar oils foaming mousse. This definitely like tames the frizz and the curliness, and it also defines your curls. It's a really good mousse for curly hair, especially like curly wigs and like synthetic wigs. It's a really good mousse, so definitely recommend it. And after that, your curls are pretty much ready to go. Now I'm just taking off my elastic band, and I'm just gonna add some more foundation powder to the front of my lace, just to make the parting space pop a little bit more, bring it more towards my forehead, and also add some in between the front itself. So as y'all can see right now, you can't really see the lace, you're only seeing here, but once I add the foundation powder to it, you're seeing more of the lace, so it looks more natural and it looks more like it's coming right out of my scalp, you know. And yeah, this was pretty much how the hair turned out. This wig, you guys, is so gorgeous. The curls on the hair is so bomb. I definitely got a lot of compliments on the curls. Personally though, I don't think this color suits me. It just does not go with my skin tone. I was one of those people before, and I'd be like, yeah, every color fits me, but this one, I don't know, it just makes my face, I feel like it makes me look kind of old, to be honest. So I don't think the color is good with my skin tone, but hey, it might look so beautiful on somebody else, but on me, it's not my color. It's just not. So yeah, this is pretty much how the hair turned out though. I feel like the wig is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I did wear the wig for 4 days after the install, and I have had no issues with it. The only thing I had to do when I wake up in the morning is add some more water and conditioner and my mousse, and I'm good to go. Also, I've had very little to no shedding at all with this wig. It's honestly a really great wig, you guys. Minus me not liking the color on myself, the wig is definitely bomb. Does not really frizz up too much, so I really like that. But yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. I just wanted to share this video with you guys. This wig is so gorgeous. Thank you again, BeautyForeverHair, for sponsoring this video. I will have all the links listed down below to where you guys can purchase the exact same wig if you are interested. If I do have a coupon code, that will be listed down below as well. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Thanks again for tuning back in. Love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Also, let me know what you guys think about the wig. Bye.
You're watching